Bluey Swim School. Every summer we would join a pool and I would take my kids swimming all the time, and we had so much fun. We'd jump off the diving boards and we played Marco Polo. It was awesome. Let's see Bluey at swim school. Bluey and her family are on holiday. Bingo, it's a bit too dangerous to run by the pool, says Dad. No running by the pool. Sorry, says Bingo, and stops. But then Bluey runs in. Let's play swim school. Yay, let's play swim school. This is going to be fun. Dad, Bluey's running by the pool, says Bingo. Don't be a dauber, says Dad. But Bluey's doing something dangerous, says Bingo, so confused. Shouldn't I daub then? Dad doesn't know how to answer that. Chili. Mom just shrugs. Oh, phew. Right? It's time for swim school. The students have to pass all the lessons in little fish before they can move up to be a big fish. Hello, darlings. I'm Karen. Karen, says the teacher. Mary Finder, Sharon, and Bevan are a family in the little fish class. Karen is teaching them to kick when Bevan starts mucking around. Bevan isn't doing it properly, dobs Sharon. Do, 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 do. Is Bevan doing anything dangerous? Asked Karen. Well, no. Then don't be a dauber, sweetie. The family keeps practicing kicking until Mary Finder disappears underwater. Oh, no. Karen, Mary Finder just poked me, dobs Bevan. See that? They're poking. Hands to yourself, please, young lady. Hang on, says Sharon. Shouldn't Bevan get in trouble for daubing like I did? Yes, Bevan. No daubing, says Karen. Shouldn't Sharon get in trouble for daubing on me about daubing on Mary Finder? He asks. Oh, yes. Bad Sharon. Bad, bad, bad Sharon. Everybody's daubing. Karen has had enough. Okay, class, there's a new rule. No more daubing. See that? No more daubing. Unless someone is in danger, says Sharon. Karen nods. Can you nod? Yes. Remember, you are a family. Let's work together, says Bevan. When they work together, Mary Finder, Sharon, and Bevan are excellent little fish. They learn doggy paddle, monkeying, and ninja kicks. Hi-ya! Hi karate choppa! Do you know how to doggy paddle in the pool? Right? So much fun. Karen is very proud. Well done, puppets. You all get to move up to be big fish now. Congratulations. Hooray! Yay, we did it. That's awesome. They made it. Good luck, says Karen. Wait, says Sharon. Aren't you our teacher for big fish? Oh no. Margaret takes big fish. Big fish, says Karen. Goodbye. Wave goodbye. Say bye, Karen. I have a feeling we're not going to like Margaret, says Bevan. How does she know? She hasn't even met her. All right, let's see. Surprise! Yay, I'm Margaret. I'm not as nice as Karen. Don't worry about us. Karen taught us to work as a family and never to daub, says Sharon. Well, I like daubing. If you don't daub, you won't pass. What? Switching the rules. But I thought daubing was bad, says Mary Finder. No, daubing is good. The family doesn't think much of that. We're going to pass Big Fish without daubing. But Big Fish is pretty hard. It's very, very hard. Okay. Margaret sits on you during backstroke. The backstroke, where you go backwards, right? And while you're swimming across the pool, she even blows on your ears while you're starfishing. Another fail. What is Margaret doing? Sharon calls a family meeting. I want Karen back. Margaret is a silly old watermelon head. A silly watermelon head. What if we just refuse to do what she says, Sharon suggests. Yeah, Bevan agrees. Let's stick together. It's always good to stick together. It's a good plan. But before they can try to stick together, Mary Finder daubs them. Oh no! Excellent Dobbin, says Margaret. You just passed Big Fish. Mary Finder, Bevan shouts. Did you dob on us? What? Mary Finder, why did you dob on them? Say, Mary Finder, why did you do that? Now everyone starts to dob, and no one gets better at swimming. Mary Finder called you a silly old watermelon head. Fail. But Sharon peeked in Marco Polo. That's such a fun game. Have you ever played Marco Polo in the pool where you go, Marco, and everybody else, Polo, and you try to find them with your blindfold, right? Got to keep your eyes closed. Fail. Well, Bevan peed in the pool. What? Bevan peed in the pool. Blech. Blech. Peeing in the pool. Sharon, Margaret, and Mary Finder race to get out of the water. You two pass Big Fish, Margaret tells Sharon and Mary Finder. Bevan, you fail. You big grub. What is going on here? All this dobbing. Mary Finder has passed the class, but something just isn't right. What isn't right? Dobbing on her family doesn't feel very good. That's right. That's right. I'm glad she's feeling a little bit bad about it. If Bevan fails, then I want to fail too, Mary Finder says. Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Choppa choppa! She ninja kicks into the pool. I'm Mary Finder. Yeah! Well, fine, says Margaret. You all fail. Good one, sis. Look, they're sticking together. So good. But then, surprise! Who's that? Welcome back, little fish, says Karen. I'm so proud of you all. Why is the water warmer here? Because they peed in the pool. Oh, Bevan. Silly Bevan peeing in the pool. Oh, that was so much fun. It's summertime. It's time to go swimming. You have fun out there. Be safe. Learn how to swim. Swim, 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 swim. Have a great time, and I'll see you in the next video.